everybody! I just wanted to stop by and kind of give you guys a little bit more of information of something that I've gotten a lot of questions about on my stream when people stop by, and that is this cute little raid message that I get a lot of questions about. So basically, whenever somebody raids me, or basically anytime I give like a little bit of a shout out, you can see up here where it starts in the land of Palea, Halcyon Light's the name. Basically, I have it set up so that way whenever somebody raids me, they get a shout out, and in that shout out there's like a little rhyme that kind of pops up and gives my viewers a little fun little rhyme based off of the last games that this person has played and anything that they might actually have in their profile. Super cute. Everybody loves it. I love it, and people have actually told me that that's the reason why they've like followed me. And people have copied and pasted those rhymes, and they've used them for other things on their stream. And so that tool is actually frostytools.com. I will share the link down in the description of this video, so that way you guys can actually have it and see it. This tool is a free to use tool, but there is a paid version, but I don't use the paid version. So basically you're going to want to sign in, and then of course make the account a mod on your stream. And then once you get in there, it has all kinds of different things that you can use, like full scope shout outs. So basically this is what I kind of have set up. It's just like anytime I do like a shout out, I choose the language. You can choose a variety of different things, like include a link to the person's channel, trigger shout outs. I have it set to automatically do shout outs for raids, and do an announcement instead of chat. I don't have that set up. And you can personalize it where you use the type of text and the kind of writing that is done. I have it set up for Dr. Seuss inspired poet, so it does like a little rhyme, but you can choose all kinds of different things, like Viking, pirate, Grizzled War veteran, uwu girl, sci-fi geek, all kinds of different things, and I love it. And then you can have like a custom thing, but I didn't change this, but you can also add any kind of emotes that you want from your own stream. Very, very handy. This is the one of the main reasons why I use this. Next, you have Lurker Love. I don't use it. I already kind of have it set up with a command to use the lurk command, so I don't have anything like this set up. But it is something that I do think that I might be using in the future. And warm welcomes. So basically with this one, right here is anytime that you have like a newcomer, it sends like a custom little message for them. And I have mine set up, and so anytime somebody gives me a follow, it kind of comes up with like a one little liner welcoming them into like my community. Super, super cute. They have smart scheduled chats. This is a paid feature, so I do not use it, but I think it might be something similar to any sort of timed commands that you might have on like Stream Elements or Streamlabs. And then they also have attention retention. This is something that I do use. So anytime I'm about to go on an ad break, it says, hey guys, thank you for your patience. These ad breaks support the stream. And then what I also have it set up to do is chat recaps. So anytime we're going on an ad break, it comes up with like two little posts recapping the chat and what's happened, what anybody has said. I think this is handy because it does also recap things that I may have missed in my chat. And then once we come back from the ad break, I can kind of circle back and acknowledge what had actually been said. You can choose the language, the text style, and a bunch of different ones that you can choose, like what's the kind of theme of this. And I also have this set up with attention retention. It does like a little trivia. So when you're going on an ad break, it'll say a trivia question, and then whenever we come back from the ad break, it gives you the answer to that trivia question. So it kind of tries to help keep people around during the ad break, and I love it. And this one right here, the tease, that's like the interesting facts, and that's the one that I use. And then next you have custom celebrations. Again, this is a paid feature. I do not use it. And tailor raid messages, this is something, you know, that can be similar to any of like the shout outs and things like that. I don't use it because I have it set up to automatically shout out anybody who raids me, and it gives them a tailored message that way. But this one is also a free feature that you can kind of tailor to whatever your needs are. I just wanted to kind of show this information to you guys because I do get this a lot on my stream. When people are in my chat and they see this actually happen, they start asking a lot of questions, and we don't gatekeep here, so I let you guys know anything that I'm able to figure out. The next video that I'll probably be making is to show you how to have daily redemptions, and have that daily redemption kind of pick an item from like a random list anytime somebody redeems channel points, and it helps you keep track of how many daily redemptions these people have done. But if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Thank you guys so much. I know this was like a longer video, but thank you. I'll talk to you later. Bye.